Okay, today I'm very excited because finally I get the Viltrox 56mm f1.4. So now I'm going to unbox this. The packaging is same as 23. The size also similar to 23. Okay, warranty card, manual, also the small bag from Viltrox. So a bit different because the lens hood is round shape. If you have purchased the Viltrox 23, 33 and 85 before, you know there is a lattice lens hood, but this is round shape. Okay. The size is really similar to the 23. Only the lens hood design different. So it's quite small for 56mm lens. Okay, quality is very good. Okay, so now I will use this lens to take some photo. Alright, so now I'm going to do some autofocus speed test on this lens. This is the continuous mode. So you can see the lens track my face very fast. Right? Alright, so I have done some testing on the focus speed. The only problem is you actually cannot get too close to the lens. The focus distance is about 2 feet away from the camera body. Other than that, everything is very good. This is a very short review for the Viltrox 56mm f1.4 lens. And this is not a professional review, this is just my personal review. I hope this video can help you to decide whether the lens is suitable for you guys or not. Alright, so see you guys later.